Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Quest 3, a VPN subscription that allows router or device sharing, and either a PC or router you can configure. First, pick your approach, router-level VPN for whole network protection, or create a VPN hotspot from your PC or phone. Once decided, enable developer mode in the Meta Quest app and connect the headset to the same Wi-Fi network you'll secure. Make sure you have the router admin login or the PC tether method ready before moving to configuration. Now configure the chosen network route. If using the router, import your VPN's WireGuard or Open VPN profile and set the VPN as the default gateway for your LAN. Route table changes ensure all devices use the tunnel. If using a PC or phone, start the VPN client and enable internet sharing or a virtual hotspot, then attach the Quest to that SSID. Once done, assign a static IP or DHCP reservation for the Quest and set DNS to your VPN provider or a private resolver. And disable it. Finish by rebooting router, your VPN host device, and the Quest to apply all changes. Then open the headset browser and verify the public IP and location to confirm the VPN is active. Next, run a speed and latency test. If performance is poor, tweak the MTU, try different server locations, or enable split tunneling for latency-sensitive apps. If connections fail, inspect DNS settings, firewall/port rules, and check for DNS leaks. If problems persist, gather logs and contact your VPN support with device details.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.